So this video we're going to talk about the faceplate for the db48x that goes on the SwissMicros DM42, and also it'll go on the DM42n as well. So this faceplate I received recently, and one of the difference between the db48x faceplate and the C47 faceplate is that it has these tabs, and I cut them very, very close to the edge and left a little bit on it. You can sort of see it a little bit, but I left it there so that it'll get a better grip on the side of the calculator. Now again, this is the DM42, and if you look at this, we might as well see what's going on over here, right? Now this particular version of the faceplate is before 0.8 firmware. Apparently they've changed a few other buttons again. It does come with additional stickers, and let's see if I have them here. See if I remember where I left them. And these stickers, they go on top here somewhere. Like for example, that one, like the gear one goes here. And this one, parentheses, goes here, which is pretty neat. These parentheses that goes here, that's for algebraic, to do algebraic type problems. EEX will go in the E, and var, and I don't know what that is, maybe stack. And then the arrows will go over here somewhere. And then the equal sign goes here somewhere, maybe right here. But 0.8, if you put the 0.8 version, the latest version, the keys don't map very well. But there is a config file that you can put in the config folder in the calculator, and then you can put the db48x, like the classic version or something, and then you have to reset the calculator, and then it sort of works out in terms of the layout with this particular faceplate. So again, this is not for the latest version of the software. So to put it on, you can see that it goes on. It doesn't go on that bad. It really is very. It has a lot of options. A little messy, but I'm really liking some of its features than the 47. And for a moment there, I never thought I was going to do a db48 because the layout was a little bit too harsh for me. But I'm getting used to the layout, and there's a few things that I really like about this, which I'll create another movie and talk about that. But this is for the template, or for the faceplate, and it sort of holds pretty well with those tabs there. I mean, here's the C47 without the tabs, and it just falls out. Yes, I know you can peel this and then pop it in there, but I don't want to do that. Now, if you knock it out, you can knock it out, of course. Now, of course, DM42n, yes, it does fit on that as well. You think, right? And this way. Yeah, it's the same key layout. So it does fit if you have one. I don't know if the 0.8 version runs on a DM42n, and in reality, the DM42n does have more memory, and it might need it to run this software completely. Because one of the disappointing things that I've noticed so far on the DM42 is the memory is really low for it to add some of these programs that these different type of firmwares want to run. That's a different story. And again, remember there's these stickers on there. But overall, it does map out pretty well. You know, like 5 squared, right? And the x root of y, right? Like 8. You always have to type in y first, enter, and then to the 3rd root, and then you press this button twice, and gives you 2. So it does work. Like I said, there's a few buttons that are not mapped. Like this one gives you a way to do something algebraically, right? And I'm not sure how to close it. I don't know. I'm not sure why I did that, but let's see. Nope. Press enter. Yeah, that's too much of a syntax error. Let's try that again. Sign of 5. Let's enter. No. See, I don't know how to do it yet. Okay. Well, that's this right here. I was messing around with that last time and it was working. But like I said, it fits nicely. It's growing on me. It really is growing on me. But the idea that the faceplate works on the DM42 or the DM42n does do work on both. All right. I hope that was informative. I hope you have a great semester, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.